In this video, we're going to show you how to master one of the most effective trading tools, which is the Vwap. Please hit the like button, but more importantly, hit the notifications bell so that you know exactly when new content is released. So let's dive right into it. Starting with the Vwap basics. Vwap stands for Volume Weighted Average Price and is different from a traditional moving average as it takes volume into account. So to access the anchored Vwap, on your left, under Projection, click Anchored Vwap. Then on your chart, click where you want the Vwap to be applied from, and you'll see it overlaid on your chart. The middle line here is the Vwap line. When price is above the Vwap line, it signals a bull market and can also act as a form of support and presents long trade opportunities. If price breaks through the Vwap, it can signal a possible trend change. Let's show this again. Price being above the Vwap line and making higher highs signals a moving uptrend. On the way up, you had multiple entries at the Vwap line. Entry 1 through the very long wick candle. Entry 2 through the long wick candle. Entry 3 through the very long wick candle and candle color change. Entry 4 through the 2 inverted long wick candles. Again, multiple long entries at the Vwap line. Then once you had a clean break through the Vwap line and lower low, this signals a possible trend change downwards is coming. You had a falling wedge pattern, followed by a break above and higher high, which is your trigger event and gives you a bullish bias and is the start of the fresh uptrend. This here is the actual start of the uptrend, so that's where you would put your Vwap anchor point. Price then forms a falling wedge continuation pattern, followed by a bounce off of the Vwap line, which presented a continuation long entry. Once price broke above the pattern and made a higher high, you would take a long continuation entry through the lower intraday timeframes, going in the opposite direction. Price being below the Vwap line signals an overall bearish market. The Vwap line also acts as a form of resistance when price is below it. If price breaks cleanly through, it signals a larger trend change is coming. If you want to use the exact charting platform we are using, it's linked in the description below. Let's now get into the strategies section. Strategy number 1, Vwap combined with key levels. Like all indicators, you shouldn't use the Vwap on its own. You should always pair the Vwap with price action methods. You have a strong moving uptrend, so you want to trade with the trend. These reversal points give you a key zone. Price then pulls back and forms a long wick candle right at the key zone and the Vwap line, presenting a long trade opportunity. Trend line placed above connecting the highs, and once price broke above the trend line,